Hey guys, this is Achintya Gomat. In this video, I am going to tell you about world's largest technical internship program by TwoWit. So we are conducting this program, Tathastu Scholar Program, in a last cohort of July. We interned 3000 plus students. In this November cohort of our Scholar Program, we are targeting 10,000 plus intern, which is going to be the largest technical internship program anywhere in this world. So before we go to that, I would like to make a simple request. Kindly like the video. We are taking a target of 500 likes. So please like the video. More likes means our reach is increased. We are able to help more students like you. So please like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe right now. Like 60-40% students don't subscribe. They just watch the video. Please subscribe so that you get to know about more videos as and when we upload. So now we're talking about Tathastu Scholar Program. Let me give you some key details about it. First, it is not a training, it is an internship. So what happens in training? That instructor teaches you something, some project, anything, etc. In internship, you have to do tasks. If you want some help, you can take from YouTube or some Stack Overflow from anywhere else, but the instructor or the company will not teach you. So in this internship, we are not going to teach you anything. Second, it is a learning based internship. What do we mean by learning based? Like when you are learning some skill like some MERN stack, data science, so what happens? You are not able to continuous flow, you get distracted. So when an incentive of internship is given, you are more motivated to complete because you are driven by that certificate which you will get. So we are doing it a learning based internship and not a work based. In work based, what you have to do, you work in a company, work on some project, but in this you are going to work on your own personal project. Third, duration of it will be 1 month, not 1 month, and it will start from 1st of November and end at 30th of November. You can easily manage this internship with your college. Will only give you a task that will take 2 to 3 hours per week or even less depending if you manage better. So we'll be giving you one task per week. So total 4 tasks will be given. You have to do any 3 out of them in order to be eligible for certificate. So there will be no weekly or task wise deadline. Only deadline will be the end of internship, so you can complete it at any time of your convenience. Next, we talk about different roles we are offering under this Scholar Program. We are offering 7 roles. First is the DSA Scholar, which will be done in C++, Java and Python, all 3 language. You can definitely join it if you know any of these 3 language. Second role is full stack intern, which will be MERN stack. Third will be data science and machine learning. It is also the AI field. Fourth will be web development, basic HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. A lot of students say, sir, we don't know MERN stack. Please allow us to intern. So you will be doing in basic web development, which will be front end. Next is core Java internship. You will be studying Java and doing some tasks around. Next is Python intern. Basic Python students who are not that proficient can choose for this. Last but not the least will be Android developer intern. In this, we are accepting Java, Kotlin and Flutter. If you are working in any of these subdomains, you can definitely apply for Android developer. You can only choose one role out of this for this November cohort. Okay, so please make sure wisely choose whichever role you are most interested in. Now let me give you an example of what kind of tasks you have to do. For week 1, we are going to give you some tutorials that you can watch, like you can study about Stack, or for web development we'll give you Bootstrap. For MERN stack, we'll give React.js. So we will give you a set of videos, a playlist that you can follow. You can also study from your own sources and be proficient in that limited topic. 1 or 2 topic will be given. In the next week, second week, task 2 will be to make some project on the basis of that, some small app, beginner level login, etc., some web page with tutorial as well. So every task will be given with a tutorial, but we will not teach you anything live. For second week only, for DSA students, will give them an option to solve 5 problems on LeetCode in any language they want. They have to submit their profile so that we can verify have they solved or not. In task 3, we are going to give you a task to create a quiz. You have to create a quiz on some topic of your data science, web development, whichever role you have chosen. Task 4 will be a soft skills based task. So we'll be conducting a live session, how you can improve yourself, LinkedIn, etc., resume, etc. So you have to do some task based on that. Also, of all these tasks, they're going to be a live session, orientation session we will have on 2nd November or 1st November, we'll see, and then we'll have task discussion for 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can also ask their queries then as well. You can also see some past videos on our YouTube channel if you want to get an idea like how those live sessions going to work. Now we talk about how to apply and what is the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is simple. Any student, any year, any branch can apply. If you have applied in last July cohort, you can apply this as well. The only condition is you have to select only one role out of these 7 roles. Okay, hiring process will be simple. You have to select a Google form and we will contact you on the basis of details you have. What we have employed here is very unique post hiring selection process. What do we mean by that? When any hiring happens, so prior to selection they give some written test, some interview, etc., and shortlist some student out of that. So what we are doing is we are giving every student a chance to perform. We will select almost every student, and when they are selected, then there will be the hiring process on the basis of tasks they are able to do. Let's say task 1 we have given some tutorials you have to watch. Task 2 we have given some website is to be. So many students will not be able to do these tasks and they will leave midway. So that will be like post hiring selection process, which is very simple. You don't have to worry about it. Just fill the Google form which is there in the description. Also, last date to apply is 31st of October. So we have around 7 to 8 days in which you can apply for this internship. Let me also talk about some frequently asked question, like some student asks, is it charged? So it is completely free. There is no charges for this internship. We have lots of other boot camps, live training, internship, etc., which is paid, but this is free of cost. Nobody will ask you for any kind of money. Number 2, you can only apply for one role. You cannot apply for more than one role. If you do web development, you cannot do anything else. If you do Android, you cannot do anything else. Also in this internship, we will be not teaching you, no live session will be held. You will be given a task and you will be guided to watch some tutorials and complete that task. That's how work happens in any internship, and this is not a training program, this is an internship. Our certificate is accepted in almost all AICTE colleges, affiliated colleges. Last cohort 100 plus colleges accepted our internship certificate as valid certificate. So if you are thinking of providing this in your college, then you can definitely do so. Alumni can also apply. Those students which have applied in the July cohort or any prior cohort, you can definitely apply in this as well. Same role or different role, both will be accepted. I hope I have given you all the information that you need, so kindly go fast and register in the description. We will contact you on the basis of details you have filled, and we will add you to a respective WhatsApp group, and a further document will be provided. We provide a scholar program document last cohort as well, which will have all the details, all the tasks, all the videos, everything that you have to do with all the FAQs added here. So please join fast. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section, WhatsApp me. You have my number, you will find in description. I can definitely guarantee you, like, this is going to be a very interesting experience, this kind of scholar internship, which is very unique, which we are conducted in this way. So please hurry up and register fast. Link is there in the description, and also don't forget to share this internship with your friend.